Imagine joining a new company tomorrow. You receive an offer letter, your employee ID has been generated, your company emails account has been created, your laptop is ready, and your manager exactly knows when exactly you are joining. And by the end of the month, you receive your salary to your bank account without any issue. Now think about this for a moment. How all of this happened? Who informed all these departments? How did your information move from recruitment to HR, HR to IT, IT to payroll? The answer is technology. And when technology helps organizations manage their employees and HR processes, we call it as HR tech. Hi, I'm Monish and I have spent more than 14 years working into HR tech. And today in this video, we'll understand what HR tech really is, why organizations need it, and how it has become an important part of almost every employee's working life. When people hear the term HR tech, they often imagine complicated software systems. But HR tech is actually a very simple term. HR tech means human resources technology. In simple words, we can say technology that helps an organization to manage employees and HR processes, whether it's hiring someone, approving a leave request, processing the salaries, conducting performance reviews, doing training programs, or transferring employees from one location to another. Technology is working behind the scenes. And the interesting part is most of the employees interact with HR tech almost every day without even realizing it. Now let's take a practical example. Suppose you want to apply for a leave. You open the portal, you select the dates, and you submit the leave request. Your manager receives the notification, he approves it, and your leave balance gets updated accordingly. The entire process may take less than a minute. Now imagine doing the same process manually for 10,000 employees. Now you can immediately see why organizations need technology. HR tech help companies to save time, reduce error, improve compliance, and give a better employee experience. Here, most people never think about that companies do not hire HR teams to spend their day moving papers from one desk to another. Instead, they hire HR professionals to solve people-related challenges. Technology takes care of repetitive work. Automation handles routine tasks. System stores information. And HR professional can focus on what really matters: people. This is one of the biggest reasons why HR tech has become so important for modern organizations. Now let's understand this with the help of a slide. Whenever we talk about HR tech, four elements come together: employee, HR processes, technology, and ultimately employee experience. Organizations create processes to manage people. Technology helps those processes run efficiently, And when those processes work smoothly, employees have a better experience. And that's what HR Tech is really trying to achieve. Not just automation, not just software, but a better employee experience. Now that we have understand what HR Tech is, now let's understand where it came from. Because HR department was not always powered by technology. In fact, for many years, HR departments in many organizations used to operate entirely using papers. Every employee had a physical file, leave requests were handwritten, performance reviews were stored in the cabinets, promotion letters were printed and manually signed. Everything was paper driven. While this worked for smaller organizations, but it became very difficult when companies started growing. Now imagine managing employee records for 20,000 employees using only paper files. Finding information would take time. Updating records would take time. Generating reports from the records would take time. And mistakes, they are almost inevitable. So organizations wanted better way. Then came spreadsheets. Tools like MS Excel transformed the way organizations managed employee information. Suddenly, the data became searchable. Reports became easier. Calculations became faster. HR teams became more productive. And for a while, spreadsheets felt like a complete solution. But as organizations continued to grow, new challenges emerged. Version control issues, duplicate data, human errors, manual updates, and once again, organizations needed something better. This slide will help us understand how HR evolved over the time. The evolution of HR can be viewed as a journey. From paper files to spreadsheets, from spreadsheets to dedicated HR systems, from HR systems to cloud platforms. And today, organizations are entering the era of AI powered HR. Every stage solved problems created by the previous stage, and every stage made HR more efficient, more scalable, and data driven. Today, HR technology sits at the heart of the modern organizations. From hiring an employee to managing leaves, payroll, performance reviews, training programs, every aspect of employee journey or human resource management is governed by human resource technology. But this raises another question. Where exactly the HR tech is used inside an organization? So in part 2 of this video, we'll explore the major areas where HR technology operates, right from recruitment to onboarding, performance management, employee experience, leaves, payroll, etc. And you'll discover that HR tech is much bigger than most people imagine. And if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HR Tech Orbit. And I'll see you in the next part of this video. Until then, bye.